Hello everyone, all are welcome in this series of unit number 6, that is economics of power generation. We will cover simple numericals on various factors that we had been through the previous lecture. Okay, we had been through some 5 important factors, out of which there are 3 which are damn important. First one is your demand factor, which is nothing but your maximum demand divided by connected load. Okay, maximum demand is the nothing but the maximum load on a power plant during specific time. Okay, and connected load is nothing but the load that is connected to your power station. Second one is your load factor, which is the ratio of your average load upon maximum demand. Okay, maximum demand is same as this one, and average load is nothing but we have seen that suppose this is a load duration, then the sum of all these peaks and lows divided by number of divisions we have taken. Okay. The third one is your plant capacity factor. Right, plant capacity factor is the ratio of average demand upon plant capacity. Okay, all these are factors. Okay, they are in terms of percentage. Fine. In this plant capacity factor, we know that we will be given what is average demand when we will be having plant capacity factor, or we will be having plant capacity factor and we need to determine the plant capacity, or vice versa. Okay, now we will see the first problem, that is a generating station has consumed load of 50 megawatt. Okay, consumed load is nothing but your connected load, which is nothing but the 50 megawatt, and maximum demand of 25 megawatt. The units generated being 60 into 10 raised to 6 per annum. Calculate the demand factor and load factor. Okay, now we know the demand factor is nothing but the maximum demand divided by connected load. Fine, so maximum demand here it is a 25 megawatt, connected load is 50 megawatt, so the demand factor will be 0.5. Okay, the second one is your load factor, which is nothing but average demand upon maximum demand. In this numerical, maximum demand is given, but we don't know what is the average demand. But in numerical it is given that units generated are 60 into 10 raised to 6 per annum. Okay, with the help of this we can determine the average demand. So average demand is equals to units generated per annum divided by hours in a year. Okay, units generated are 60 into 10 raised to 6 per annum divided by hours in a year. It will be 12 months, 30 days of each. Okay, multiply by 24 hours. Okay, which will be nothing but equals to 6549.32 kilowatt. So load factor equals to average demand 6549.32 divided by maximum demand 25 megawatt, so 25 into 10 raised to 3 kilowatt, which will be equals to 0.27, which is a load factor. Okay, fine. Now the second numerical is a power station has a maximum demand of 20 kilowatt. Okay, the annual load factor is 50%, plant capacity factor is 40%. Determine the reserve plant capacity. Reserve plant capacity is nothing but how much reserve capacity that particular plant has. Okay, so it will be equals to plant capacity minus maximum demand. Okay, so to determine plant capacity, we have plant capacity factor 40%, maximum demand is given 20,000 kilowatt. Okay, but for to calculate plant capacity, we need plant load factor and average demand. Okay, fine. So energy generated per annum will be equals to maximum demand multiplied by load factor multiplied by hours in a year. Okay, maximum demand is 20 megawatt into load factor, it is 0.5 hours in a year, it will be 8760. Okay, it will be near about, it is 7.6 into 10 raised to 6 kilowatt. Okay, these are, it is energy generated per annum. Okay, plant capacity factor equals to units generated per annum divided by plant capacity. Okay, so units generated per annum is 87.6 into 10 raised to 6 kilowatt hour divided by plant capacity is your how much plant capacity, sorry, we need to determine plant capacity, and plant capacity factor is your 0.4. Okay, so the plant capacity will be 25,000 kilowatt. Okay, so reserve plant capacity will be equals to plant capacity minus maximum demand. Okay, which will be nothing but 25,000 kilowatt minus what is maximum demand, 20,000 kilowatt, which will be equals to 5,000 kilowatt, right? So this will be your answer. Thank you.